Hey guys, it's your girl Cindy. Welcome back to my channel if this is your first time clicking on one of my videos. And today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a little bit of pieces that I have in my jewelry collection. Some of these are pretty new, so it's going to be kind of like a jewelry haul and sharing some of the things that I kind of pick every day when I am styling and I am headed out the door and I just want to add a little spice to my looks. So if you guys are interested, let's get right into today's video. So I'm going to break this video down into different chapters for you guys just to make it a little bit easier. And the first brand that I got items from is Perri Foia. And this video is sponsored by Perri Foia and I'm super excited. And if you guys are not familiar, Perri Foia is a fashion jewelry line. And what they really do is focus on creating sustainable jewelry. And I really love that. And I love that a lot of their pieces are great for people who have allergies, because I have a nickel allergy and I find that a lot of their pieces fit fine with me because a lot of them are gold plated. The first item I'm going to share is the Corona necklace. I really like the fact that it has a really nice textured dome here, and I like the length of this. This would be really great for turtlenecks if you just want to put it over a turtleneck. I really like that. I love that this has a really nice weight to it, and you can actually take off the pendant and change the chain if you would like. And like I said, this is gold plated. This is 14 karat gold plated material, so it's really going to last a while. And I love how long it is because you can really customize it to how you want. And like I said, this video is sponsored by Perri Foia and I have a coupon code for you guys. It's Syndie20. You guys will get 20% off of your purchase, and right now they are having their Black Friday sale. We're in November, which means it's time to start doing those holiday shopping. If you are looking for some Black Friday deals, they have tons on their website and they do have a lot more pieces to get some additional Black Friday sales, and that's just really great if you are looking for some gift ideas. The next item that I got is the Brio textured ring. This is their 14 karat gold plated brass. I got it in the size 6 because I plan to wear it more on my index finger, and I just really like that look. It's a really nice way to add a little something to your hands, especially when they're nice and manicured, and I just really like that. And I like that the dome has this nice little texture to it, and it really just adds a little bit more to the ring. It's just really very minimal, but it's still very elegant as well. And the next thing that I got is the Precocity twisted ring here. I have it in on my middle finger, as you guys can see. It's a very nice, thin, dainty ring, but it has this really nice texture detailing on there. I really like how that looks. So these two together already look really nice, and with freshly manicured nails. The next thing that I got are these Neri scalloped earrings here, these C hoops. They're nice and small, so they really just are a great way to add a little texture to your look. But if you don't want to wear too much jewelry, these are a really nice pair. They're very comfortable as well. They're very lightweight. I really like that they have a little bit of texture to them, so really nice little something to add. I really do love wearing mini hoops and studs, so these are going to be something that I will wear quite a bit. I actually have been wearing them a lot lately. So the next items I got are actually both from Amazon, and one of them is a kind of like pack of earrings and the other is a pack of rings, and there's like 8 different styles. And what I like is that you can resize these, so they have an opening on the back, so it's perfect to resize them if they're too big or too small. So this is one of them here, and these are the other 2 of my favorites on this finger. I really like this one here, and I like this one. Just really has a lot of texture to them, and just a nice way to spice up your hand and get something that looks very cute. And I just really love the aesthetic of gold pieces and gold jewelry, and so I decided to pick up these ones. The next set of things that I got from Amazon is a pack of studded cubic zirconium earrings. I do have one of them on right now, as you can see, because they come in like all different sizes. So this is the biggest size that it comes in, and then you get these individually packed ones with smaller sizes in the bag. But I really love a diamond kind of studded earring. I love gold pieces and metal hardware as well, because I wear a lot of gold, and a lot of the accessories that I wear has gold metal, and I just want it to be consistent. I am actually thinking I want to get some actual diamond earrings very soon, because I wear diamond earrings a lot. Like, they're primarily one of the things that I wear, so I want to get something that's really going to be timeless, that's going to last me a little bit longer. But until I do, I decided to pick these up just to get a sense of what size am I looking for, because there's so many different sizes. I think this one might actually be the size that I like, because it's the one that I wear the most. But these are a nice way to kind of like try out different sizes of earrings and figure out which one that you like. Now, the next two things that I have that I absolutely wear, I think primarily all the time, is from Waldor watches. So I have their Delight Chelsea 32 watch here in gold, and I really like that this has a black interior. I like the contrast between the black and gold, and I love a good square rectangle shaped watch. So this is something that I wear all the time, and I also decided to match it with their bangle here as well. This is like a double bangle, so you get double the action, and it's adjustable, so you can adjust it to your liking. I absolutely love to wear this, and when I do wear the watch, I tend to wear them together, like so, because I just really love the combination of these two together here. So this is the next thing that's in my jewelry collection, and I absolutely love this. Now, when it comes to watches, there's two brands that I always love to go to for watches, and one of them is an oldie. Like, I've had these two watches for years, I think since like freshman and sophomore year of college, and they just last for a very long time. And they're both watches by Waldor Co. So I have these two here. I have one in black and I have one in rose gold. The black one has a really nice simple band. Also has these like black diamond look appeal with the gold hardware on the interior. I really love this watch. This is something that if I'm wearing an all black look, or if I want something very sleek, I want something that stands out, this is something that I grab here. I love this watch so much. I also feel like it's very unique. I don't see a lot of people with black watches. I see more golds and silvers and rose gold, but black watches are not something that I see often, and so this is a favorite of mine. I wear it all the time. This is this rose gold watch that I like to wear. I like the fact that it has the date, it has the time, obviously it's a watch, but it also has the seconds on there, and it has the days of the week as well on the bottom here. This is a really nice gold watch to have, rose gold watch to have. So I've had this for years, and I can see that there is discoloration after a while. It's hard to see on camera, but I think that is not bad considering I've had this watch for years, and it's just a really good, great rose gold watch. It's a little bit heavier too, and it feels much heavier than the other watches that I have, but I love the look and feel of this this watch here. The next watch brand that I like is Movement. You guys have known I featured this in my accessories video, but I absolutely love this watch here. So this is the signature number 2. I have it in the champagne gold color. I love how sleek and simple it is. I like that it has this neutral interior, so it kind of goes with just about anything. I just love a sleek watch, and so this is something that I have that I like to wear all the time. I think I wear this one pretty much almost every day when I'm wearing gold items or I want something very sleek. So I have this one here. I also do have the Lexington Avenue by Movement as well. This one's a smaller watch. This one's more sleeker. I like to wear this if I'm wearing like a really nice dress and I want to wear a watch and I don't want to wear anything that's too gaudy. I really like this. It's very sleek and simple. I have it in the rose gold color. It does come in gold, I think silver, and you can interchange the bands as well too if you want to do that. But this is the next one I have, and I also have this knot bracelet from Movement. This one is in a rose gold color as well. I actually like to pair these two together. I think it adds a really nice touch there. When I want to wear something that's simple, especially when I have on a really nice dress or an outfit and I just don't want to draw too much attention to my jewelry, these are something that I pick up when I am styling. The next few pieces that I have that I absolutely love are from Mejuri. I have this ring here that I like to wear on my index finger here. I have these two rings here. One of them is their croissant dome and this one is just their dome ring. I have these both. I absolutely love wearing these. I have worn these for a long time. I've like worn them washing my hands. I've worn them doing anything, cleaning, and they still maintain their quality. There's a few scratches on there, but you really can't tell, and that's what I like about these pieces. And then I also do have their croissant dome earrings as well. These are it here, and these are really gorgeous. I really love how they are. I love how they last, and there's something that I like to grab when I want to wear hoops because I love a good hoop earring. But lately I've been grabbing the ones from Perri Foia a little bit more because these are a little bit smaller and they have a different texture. Alright guys, so that pretty much concludes the video. I know it was kind of short, just kind of sharing some of the jewelry pieces that I picked up recently and some of my other goodies, oldie but favorites that I like to wear. I'm actually thinking now I do want to get some more quality pieces and really just invest in pieces that are going to be more timeless and that are going to last a while. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for Perri Foia for sponsoring today's video. Like I said, I have a coupon code and all the links to everything that I got in the description bar. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!